welcome to the mid-market update from Advisory Desk. Markets crashed almost 100 more than 100 points after the RBI announced its policy. It has kept the CRR unchanged. However, repo rate has been reduced by 25 basis points. So as a result, it was on expected lines. As a result, market had gone down and resulted in profit booking. At this point in time, Nifty is trading 100 points down or 1.2% at 8328 levels, while Sensex is trading around 350 points at 27,499 levels. However, RBI has also revised the inflation target for financial year 2016 to 6% from earlier levels of 5.8%. In today's trade, only oil and gas is a clear-cut winner. It is oil and gas index is a 0.5% at this point in time, largely led by gains in Reliance Industries, Gain India, BPCL, ONGC, and BPCL. However, what we are seeing, the broader indices like the BSE Mid Cap and the BSE Small Cap Index have gone down, but they have not gone down that much and are trading down 0.7 and 0.8% respectively. BSE BankX index is down sharply and the largest loser at this point in time, and is down 1.5%. Largely all the components of BSE BankX are down, and we are seeing losses in the range of 0.5 to 2.5% at this point in time. There is no share in the banking that is positive. All the components of BankX are in red. Even we are seeing some selling pressure in FMCG indexes is down 1.18% at this point in time. Even the realty index is down, metal index is down. Realty index is down largely led by losses in Prestige Estate, Showa Developers, Godrej Properties, and Indiabulls Real Estate. Because of this 4 or 5 companies, we are seeing fall in the realty index. The BSE metal index is also down 1.1% at this point in time, largely led by selling seen in counters like Hindalco, Tata Steel, and NMDC, which are down more than 1% at this point in time. Even the tech index is down, but it is down little less at 0.7%, led by selling in counters like Wipro, Infosys, and HCL Tech. However, TCS is trading flat at this point in time. BSE Healthcare is trading flat at this point in time. Rupee is trading at 63.775 versus dollar, a depreciation of 7.25%, 7.25 paise versus previous close. Friends, that's all from Advisory Desk. Have a wonderful day ahead.